Hello guys, to my YouTube channel Unity Craft. In the previous video, we learned how to place 3D objects on a plane. In this video, we will learn how to display the primitive objects by applying various projection types in handling the camera. So let's get started. As we did in our previous video, just click on new project, select a template. I'm selecting 3D template and give your project a name. I'm naming mine as projection types. Then click on create project. Now in our Unity project, to start, let's add a plane to our screen. Go to the hierarchy panel on the left side. Click on the plus button. Select a 3D object from the drop down menu. Choose plane. Plane is served as the ground for our 3D project. Click on this option. From these we can increase the size, dimensions of the plane. Now we will add some primitive objects to our plane. Go back to the plus button. On the hierarchy panel, select 3D objects. We can add any of the objects. I'm selecting cube. We will again increase the size of this cube. Now again we will go on this plus button, select 3D object and place a capsule. We will increase its size also. Again we are selecting another object. We can use any of these objects. I'm using cylinder. Increasing its size also. To make things more interesting, let's add some color to it. In project panel, find the materials folder. Right click inside this folder, select create, and here we got another new material. A new material is appeared. We will name it. I'm naming it as cuboid. With the new material selected, look at the inspector panel and find the albedo color box. Here it is. Click on it to open the color picker and choose a color of your choice. I'm selecting pink. I'm changing the color intensity from this option. Drag the material onto the object you want to clear. Similarly, I'm adding color to other objects also. Here we have colored all the objects and the plane. Now let's play around with different camera projection types. Select the main camera in the hierarchy panel. In the inspector panel, find the camera component. Here you will see the projection drop-down menu where you can choose between perspective and orthographic projections. Here are these options. Choosing perspective will give your scene a more realistic 3D look where objects appear smaller. Here we can rotate the camera and see that in the screen the objects are moving and showing different objects. We will change our projection type to orthographic. Orthographic projection eliminates perspective distortion. This makes all objects appear the same size. Here we have it. We have created a plane, added and colored some primitive objects, and explored how different camera projections that are perspective and orthographic affect the way our scene looks. Play around with these settings to see what works best for your project. Thanks for watching.